Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look and how you can sell digital products on Gumroad and what is basically Gumroad. So Gumroad is a self-publishing digital marketplace that you can use to sell digital services such as book, magazines, memberships, courses, and other digital services. So first, we're gonna take a look a little bit over the history, like what is who is the CEO, who is the founder of that. The founder of Gumroad is an Indian guy called Sahil Lohingia. It's built this first iteration of Gumroad over a single weekend in 2011. Sahil is a self-taught developer who has said in interview that he learned coding by searching through each problem by hit on Google. So the idea of Gumroad came to Lavinia when he wanted to sell a photovoltaic icon that he had created and realized that the amount of effort that to sell an item directly to consumers was considerable. So he decided to build the services that will make the process as easy as sharing the web content. So in February 2012, while still a sole member of Gumroad, Lavinia announced 1.1 million seeds on a notable group of investors, including Chris. Now, this is the basically this member is the partners. A lot of difference, but we're gonna take a look at that. We're gonna talk about it later. Let me quickly go with that platform. First, I'll have to go on Google and type Gumroad.com. Once you're done, you will see a landing page like this. This is the official page of Gumroad. It seems very pretty to me. Yeah, okay. So you will see the first templates go from $0 to one. With Gumroad, anyone can learn their first dollar online. Just start what to know and what to stick and get paid. That's easy, a piece of cake like that. You will see a Vigilia Sal. I don't know who she is, but I just see it's for our tags. Okay. You know that all these great ideas you have, we want to try them a lot of times and find out what it works. But don't think risk that security. Please apply some vectors. Sorry, this you're gonna see that, but that. And instead of selling a book, start by selling a blog post. Different type of templates. You can just make your own road, whatever, whether you need more balance, flexibility, or just a different gig. We just make it easier to start a new path. You don't have to pay a tax expert or even understand how you can start a business. You just gotta go take what you know and sell it. You can sell anything by video lesson, monthly subscription, physically products, whatever, what so on. Gumroad was created to help you experiment with all kind of idea and formats. So you're gonna see. I'm gonna say this the first product is called Max Lynchy. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but it's very difficult for me, hard for me to pronounce that one. But that says that I launched Max Pack as experimental gig, but within 2 years, those Procreate brushes were earning more than six figures salary in CG. CG is a kind of awkward, like CG platform is gonna be living his favor some god and able to me to explore other aspects of art, develop new hobbies, and finally, you can prioritize my personal life. This is I'm gonna say it's it's personal life experience is gonna tell about that platform. You can sell to anyone by building a loyal following with simple posts, email, newsletter, and automatic workflows. Plus, you can just let your customer pay what you they want or choose between one-time recurring fixed length payment in a currency. Whatever is a paper currency or it doesn't matter. So originally, I pre-got it from my trend reports or Gumroad, whatever this is. His name is Trend Swap. Okay, got you. Um, when you quickly go with that, the last you will see the different inspiration of what you can tell. You will see a different type of templates that the 3D effects, RDO, business and money, drawing and printing, design, comics and graphic novels, education, fiction books, films, music, gaming, fitness and health, photography, recording music, a bunch of different templates. You can go with that platform. Just simply click on that. So now let me just go over, let me just tell you how you can start selling with that platform. On the top of the page, on that right corner, you will see a button like start selling. Just simply click over that. Now you have to sign up that platform by using your Facebook account or either your Twitter. You can go with that. I'm gonna go with my email address right now. I'm gonna put that one over here. One, zero. And boom, you were gonna set up your new home. Okay, guys. So you have to choose in your file. It's might be a 200 by 200 pixel of JPG or PNG format. You can choose with that. But now with username, I got my only email address. Now I'm gonna go with my name, my bio, and my country, which is Pakistan. So I'm gonna go with that platform. So once you're done, you will just simply go click on go to your home page. You will just you've been created your profile, and you will be able to start selling on the small digital assets, small digital thing on this Gumroad platform. So this is how you can just go over that platform. Just take a look at that once in a while. Then you will be able to create your account. Just simply sign up your account by using Twitter, by Facebook, or even with your Gmail account. So this is how you can choose that platform. So make sure you subscribe this channel if you like that video. Otherwise, I don't want to insist you. So I will catch you on the next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.